Hi, this is designed to be a brief overview of the side-scroller UMG map system. I'll go over the features in just a second, but let's just have a quick look at what this actually does and why you might want it. So here we have the 3D world, and this is designed as a system to help you build your levels. So you can start off with paper or an Illustrator file, whatever you like. But when we play this, what we get is you can see you can run around here, but what we get is a mapping system that tracks the player. You can see I've put a little render target in here for reality check to see what it's actually doing. You can see that you can jump here, the ball jumps, etc., etc. Now in this case you can see the whole map. We can scroll around. That's another feature. If I pull out here, you'll notice that I have these save game objects which you can drop right into your scene. This allows you to control what the player can see. So if we go back in here, you'll notice that when we come in, the player can only see part of the map that you want the player to see. If we play this one more time, there's another save game object I've thrown in here. So once we cross this, we can come back into the map. We can see more. If we scroll back up here, you can see that there are these there are these other parts of the map. You can click on this. What this does is it takes you to a new level. This is just put in there as an example. If we come in here, you can see that you're on this other new level. The player was centered. It will try to center the player if it's not too close to the map edge. So now let's go back to what the features are. The features are, it's a UMG widget to map all your levels in the game. It tracks the player wherever they are on the map. It's easy to use. There's a save game object for revealing new areas of the map to the player. And the great thing about this is it works independently of your existing game or checkpoint system. There are unlimited map area reveals. Easily add important icon interactions to your map. Clickable events such as transporting the player to a new level. When opening up the map, it'll focus on the player's position. It works with all monitor resolutions and aspect ratios, which is a bit tricky. Now the level design features, this is also an aid to get you going in terms of getting your whole game mapped out. So you can use the ready-made grid to map out your levels. Any size world works. I've given 3 example sizes which you can make your own. It's easy to adjust the user variables for your world size. Every level is still just that, its own level. 100 levels or just one. Several workflow options for your world. Start off with a sketch, Photoshop file, Illustrator file. I've seen a lot of games start off that way. Use your level sketch as the starting map for your UI. Continue to refine. Everything is easy to update. So these are your variables up here. There aren't that many of them, which is nice. You will have to build things into your UI, but the basic skeleton is there. And that's a brief overview. I'll go into some of the how to use this in tutorials. It's not that complicated, and that's what this does. Thank you.